Hey, welcome to Futures Floor. Let me just get the disclaimer out of the way and we're going to get to the charts. Live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades. We're just trying to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream. We also trade offline as well, so you don't get to see the complete picture. We are not licensed professionals. We are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of traders lose money, and we are not responsible for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please also read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading, since the trades have not been executed. The results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41 and let's get to the charts.
Having a really hard time taking them out.
Don't open the light back there. Good morning, Jimmy. How are you? 9:17. I have 13 minutes, so let me take a quick look at what's been happening overnight. Let's just start with the instruments. I don't really trade too much. Let's just take a look at Bitcoin. 108,000, up about 3,000 from the previous close. Crude is trading lower by 10 cents at 77.29.
Bitcoin doesn't close.
It has a close. All markets have a close, even if it's for 1 second. MES is trading slightly higher, about 5 points, I would say. And finally, yeah, I changed my look. I went to white. The sunshine, you look, my face is brighter also from all the white screens. MNQ, what's the Nasdaq doing? The Nasdaq is also trading slightly higher. Let's take a look. Well, I don't even know if I would say slightly higher. Pretty much even. Anyways, a point here, point there.
No close.
I can't see.
No close.
Well.
Not even for a second. I even wrote, does it even close?
Okay, then it's a theoretical close. Ninja just puts one in. Ninja puts one in. Bitcoin, let me tell you at what time. It puts it in at 5 p.m. A black chart. Get the black charts off. Okay, not a lot of time, so I want to draw in my levels. Just quick. I'm going to put in only the significant levels. So I'm not going to look at anything minor. Rectangular control F12. Start with the obvious low. Put those in. That's almost 1,000 points away. We have a high here, an intermediate high here. First week of January, something I guess I'll keep an eye out for. That could be a target, definitely. That's about 250 points away. And then if I remember, gold is finished its first hour of trading. And if I remember here in Christmas time, we also had a pretty significant high put in at 22,100 approximately. And there was one other level on the downside that I think I will mark off, and it's this range over here at the 21,155 level. I'm not putting in any other levels at the moment, so we're kind of in between, which is good. I like that. It gives us room to move. Let me take a look at the 15-minute chart and see what we've been doing. Wow, no kidding. Okay, so except for the little bit of a dump there in the first 15 minutes, we've been trading higher since what looks like 6:30, 7 o'clock. It's a good day to play the gap below. Okay, yeah, we'll take a look at that. Asian session is the gray box. London session is the blue box. Wow, not very active at all. And that's the funny thing. I'll tell you why I say that's the funny thing. Give me a minute. Let me minimize this. The funny thing, I say that's the funny thing because the volume is very high, and it was very high yesterday also. I didn't connect yet. Let me just minimize this screen over here. Yeah, yesterday's volume in the evening session went up to 100,000. And that is extremely high. Come on. Okay, there we go. Right now we're sitting at 300,000, but I remember last night in the evening session I saw 100,000. For the evening sessions I've traded, the volume 30,000 was a good day. 16,000 was a slow evening. The average range also on the 1 minute candles was 7 points, and the slow evening would be around 3 points. Right now we're sitting at 13 points. So for pre-market, that's also pretty high. Five-minute chart. Do I need this thing over here? A 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart shows that we're actually at this moment breaking the London session highs. And making new highs for the day. That's funny. Why are one of my charts off? Which one was that? I had a wrong color line somewhere. Oh, I wasn't connected. That's why I thought we were at even. Did I look at everything when I wasn't even connected? No. Bitcoin at 108. Crude 76.30. Yeah. I was looking. I didn't have the sessions marked in, so I was looking. Crude is down about $1. Sorry. I take that back. I said crude was only down 10 cents. Crude's down crude's down more than $1. ES also, I said, was pretty flat. And ES is not flat. ES is up 25 points, also breaking London session highs. So now I understand why you say it's a good day to play the gap below, because my charts didn't connect yet or didn't update, and I thought we were at pretty much unchanged on the day. Yeah, no, we didn't break the Asian session lows on the 15-minute chart. So, yeah, I agree with the play, the gap fill play, but I'm not sure if I'm too eager to look at that because it looks like we're in a very strong market again, and we had a couple of days like that last week, if you remember. They were pretty much runaway train days, and for me, this is kind of setting up to look like the same thing. Let me open up my strategies. And Counter-Strike. I said I would trade Counter-Strike today. I would apply it to one of my charts. Let us apply it to a 50,000 evaluation. Counter-Strike graduated, guys. My forward testing is, I wouldn't say over. I'm still kind of forward testing it, but now I'm going to forward test it on an evaluation account. It's shown to be profitable during regular trading hours, which is what I have it set now to trade from 9:30 to 11:55, and I will apply it to one of my charts. for the first day, just to see how it goes and just to make sure market replay is matching the results that I'm going to get. I'm going to set it for a 2-lot. And I will enable it. So Counter-Strike's going to trade over here. Like I said, for 2 lots, set up the chart. Actually, no, I can't set up that chart because then I won't be able to trade my other trades. Anyways, it'll be trading over here, and every now and then I'll check in on it. I'll let you know how it's doing. And what time is it? 9:26. 3 minutes to market open. Anybody hear my dog barking like a crazy? Sound check. Maybe the noise filter is filtering her out. Check my mic settings. I forgot about that. I mean, I guess if you guys weren't hearing me okay, you would have said something right. Your dog is saying so. I'm not sure. I think the dog is saying London highs, London highs. We're breaking London highs. Open sound settings. And there's the mic, device properties, 66. Okay, it's settled in at 66. That's fine. Actually, I didn't get a chance to mark in on the other charts, the previous day highs and previous days highs and lows. I have it automatic here on the 1 minute chart. But anyways, we're trading over the green line here is the previous day high. We're trading above that on NQ. Another reason to be careful on the downside for me. I printed up a chart here on the position sizing. I'll show it to you later. Okay. Next, I will be trading really?
What are you doing? Oh, fine.
I will be trading a 5-lot on my scalping system. But I'm also trading the open. So on those trades, I might double up the size. Not I might, I will double up the size if they're both going in the same direction. $12.27. Yeah, I didn't get a chance. It's already, the markets are going to open in 30 seconds. I didn't get to mark off the 50% levels. Let me see if I could do it quick. I'm not using the 415 close. I'm using, of course, the Ninja close. So, can you put a blue line on this bar right there? There, down here in the bottom, vertical line. Put on that one. Yeah, either one. Okay. Okay, got filled on a 2-lot only. Got my 5-lot. Let's see, will first trade be a loser right off the bat?
That was enough.
Well, it was right on 9:30. Let's hope that this goes in my favor. Buyers jump back in. That's it. Few people who wanted to sell. Hopefully gone in the first 50 seconds. Now the buyers jump in. 1 minute is over in 4 seconds. Now let's break the high of the first 1 minute candle, which is what I'd like to see. There we go. That's beautiful. Let me take a small piece off. 2. 2's enough. And I'll let the rest run. Let's see if I can get 10, if not 20 points. 653 is mid. Yeah, I got a little higher. I got 657, but it's an area. I like to think of it that way. Not really an exact price. I got to set up my 3 lot just in case I get stopped out. Really, well, we're not getting any too much momentum to the upside here on the first push. Okay. And that's it. Stopped out. So pretty much flat on the first trade, which means I can take the second trade, but it's a short, and I don't really want to be taking the second trade. Al? Yeah. Close. 6 is good. Mid gap, my fair value gaps will be being marked. Okay, now we push higher and break again the highs of the previous candle. I like getting out a small piece early because in case it reverses on me, it keeps the trade as a break even. I make a little less if it runs, but it helps me protect the downside. I should be up about 5 to 7 points right now. Quiet opening. What's the volume right now? Let's see how the volume changes. I can't really put it in. Anyways, it's showing 330,000 contracts traded so far. So let's see in 10 minutes from now how much trades. My goodness, I just noticed something. I'll let you in on a little insight in a second. I can't join the room, Davey Miser. Oh, you mean, yeah, give me a sec, Dave. I didn't set up, I forgot to even open that page. Damn colonoscopy affected my brain. Hold on. Okay, I'll stick with a 2 lot in the meantime, and 1, open up. Tell me if I have to get out, Al?
Yeah.
Okay, I forgot how to do this. Oh, Dave, I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Disable video test. Really? Again, coming down? Oh, what I was telling you, the little secret, the ATR and the 1 minute candles is, little insight I said I'd share with you, is only at 12. That's a very, I can't say very enough times, small ATR, small average range for the 1 minute candles. On the open, we should be over 20. So the volatility is very low today. So far. Okay, next time, all good. Yeah, sounds good for me too. I'm going to close it. Yeah, I'd have to make too many settings changes because I changed all my windows. Doesn't mean the markets can't run though. Markets can run even with an ATR of 12, but it's going to be harder to get 70 points or 80 points.
Looks very slow.
Target filled. I just heard target filled on Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike I can see is up $30 already. What? My phone just go nuts. My phone just gave me the directions for the UPS store. Do I have a package I gotta ship? Did I promise you all free t-shirts? UPS. What are we up? 21 points about? 28. And we're trading at 51. Yeah, so we got 20 points already. And it's too bad I can't put up Counter-Strike. After this trade, I'll put up Counter-Strike. We'll take a look. Okay, up 122 on that. Counter-Strike is this account over here. And let's take a look at it. We're not marking the trades. Oh, maybe I'm trading a 2-lot, that's why. Yeah, I think I said a 2-lot, so it's not up, if it's up 30, it's not up 16 points, it's only up 8 points. I gotta divide by 4. Let me check the position size here. 1824, 238. Yeah, it's trading a 2-lot. Anyways, Counter-Strike took its first long trade. As I said, I'm only going to trade it for a 2-lot now. I want to bring it up to a 5-lot, but I just want to make sure that the market replay results are matching the actual results that I'm doing. Because I ran through the market replay the other day.
It's so slow.
Yeah, and the results were pretty good. I know. Look at the 15-second chart. It looks like it's crashing. It's because the vol. Yeah, there's no range in the candle. So markers only. Let's see if it works. Okay, so there's the first trade in Counter-Strike. Let's see how many trades that takes. Let's go back to my regular charting. I'm going to figure out how to put my, I know how to do it. I don't have to figure it out. I'm going to set it up so that you can see the profit and loss of my accounts. I just got to find screen space and set it up. Hopefully I'll have it for tomorrow. Wow, my dog is just going bananas. Woodchip, I'm just wondering, obviously, if we're looking at, I'm wondering, when you talk about the 50%, retracing 50% to the, let's say the opening gap, do I keep adjusting my line here? My fibs? Do I raise it up now? Or is it based on the opening price? Long 41, target 82. I would think we would be basing it on the open, which would be the 930 candle. Maybe that's why you got 53 on the open. Yeah, I wouldn't think you would keep moving it. Okay, we'll keep it in there. We'll watch it. I got two side-by-side fair value gaps, a bullish and a bearish, right at the high. We inverted the bullish, and the second candle of the bearish fair value gap closed below the low of the previous candle, so might see a bit of a, might see some selling here. With an ATR of only 11, it won't be too Friday close to Monday open, regular trading hours only. Okay. Oh, also, guys, don't forget, markets close early today, 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's 1 o'clock. I saw 1 p.m. Eastern time. It's true. I wanted to enter on market orders. Gone. Well, you can still get it, eh? If it comes back,
I'm okay.
like halfway, that's only a 3-point slippage. Let's say 56 at 53, Al. Just saying, you know, theoretically. I'm telling you to do it. And you would consider that one have 3 or 4-point slippage. 55, 53, 51, 52. There, I got in. At 51.50, where I should be in at 50, 49, I don't know. Yeah, 49.
I hate that it's so slow.
Yeah, but it's easier to get in, even though that one was a little more difficult. In general, it'll be easier to get in. Think of it like 11:30 trading or even afternoon trading.
Going 40, 50 points, you need to wait.
No, if you want, yeah, 40, 50 points quickly. Ain't going to happen today, most likely. But ATR just picked up to 14.35, so that's not bad. We got a bullish fair value gap. I think on every fair value gap, you're going to get a close above the previous, either high or low. So gold. I looked at Bitcoin, I looked at oil, and I looked at the ES, but I didn't look at gold. What's gold doing? Gold is showing that we're trading slightly lower today by about $10. Had a pretty significant move down. Wow, a 30-point drop in 10 minutes at 840. Yeah, I'm going to put up a gold chart also. But now it's pretty quiet, gold. Trading lower. Going to bump into previous day's lows very soon. Well, I'm going to remove the Fibonacci retracement tool over here, marking off the open to the previous close because I'm kind of bullish today. So don't need to watch that too much. I don't even want to think about going short right now. Okay, just to let you know, keep you up to date, I'm up 191 and Counter-Strike, just target filled, is now up 60. So Counter-Strike just took another winner. Let me show it to you. There we go. One winner for Counter-Strike and second winner for Counter-Strike. Let me make the chart a little bit bigger so you can see them. Again, Counter-Strike is today running on a 50K eval. It graduated from trading sim to an eval account. And if it can pass this eval account, it will actually trade its own funded account. Let's see if we can pass in 2 weeks. Honestly, I got to tell you, I'm pretty happy about that because it's very hard to come up with an algo that's profitable. I would say maybe less than 5% of the strategies I create are profitable. And I'm not saying Counter-Strike is profitable. Still in the watch phase, but it's trading good enough to be given its own evaluation account. Oh, you want to go over this for just a few seconds? Nope. I worked so hard on it. Wood chip is long 41, target 82. That was very close. James, you have any trades that you're looking at? ES, Crude, Bitcoin? Anybody have an updated price on Ripple? $15. 15-point ATR in the 1 minute candle, so it's up a little bit from the open, which is surprising because usually it drops off. So volatility actually picked that. That was a very quiet open. Going seriously, 12. Not really. Traded last night and got the Bitcoin move. Excellent. Good job. The opening drive play is long at 21,730. I'm not taking that trade. That's another trade that is in, I won't say the doghouse, but is in forward testing mode. Last week it lost, but the previous week, 150 points for the week, and the week before that, 240 points. And right now it is currently up 40 points. Wow, it's crazy how the brightness from the white charts lights up my face. I think in the previous streams it was quite a bit darker. Wood chip, you look younger. My routine, I spread peanut butter on my skin at night. I saw it from a TikTok video. They promised me it would help. I let my dog take it off in the morning. She licks it off. Do you? Are you kidding? I'm not a skincare person. You were just going to say that I'm not a skincare person? My wife is a skincare person. Oh, that your dog loves you. Dogs, unconditional love from dogs, eh? We have a guy here. He's cleaning out the vents for our dryer. I think he just found my wife's wedding ring. She sounds all excited. Ah, that's where it was. Counter-Strike is still up 60. Let's take a quick check. 2 trades. I should mark off the, I should put an opening range for the zones here so we can see when the market's open. Still 2 for 2. Come on, don't take so long. I want to get back to my charts. $9.30, it's a 1 minute candle. Make it 9:31 because Ninja is different. Apply, corn silk, too dark. Let's make it 5%. Apply, let's see what it looks like. Doesn't even show up. Let's go to gray. Let's make it 40%. Apply. Okay, so that's the open. This is when long against 65. Yeah, I saw that trade and I was watching the longs at that area. It's too bad because yeah, anyways, I'm not going to go over it. But just talking about Counter-Strike for another 2 seconds. This is where it starts trading. And we have 2 winners, as you can see, 2 longs. How do you know they were long? Because the background is green. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart. So 15-minute is extended. Five-minute, we had a bullish fair value gap just before the open. That might give me a reason to think that we trade back back down towards the session lows, the U.S. session lows. It flipped you short. Yeah, well, my stop would have been at about 55. And I would have gotten stopped out too, yep. Would have gotten stopped out, but the chart that I'm watching for that trade triggered long again. Hey, Woodchip, I have a funny story for you. Remember, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago, let's call it, I played that Flintstones clip, 6 seconds, not even any music. It was just the boss at the quarry pulling on the bird's tail. The bird makes kind of like the sound of the quitting horn, and then Flintstone says yabba dabba doo. I got a copyright strike for that from Hanna-Barbera, the company that makes the Flintstones. Can you believe it? For a 6-second clip like that. Actually, no, let me take that back. It wasn't a copyright strike. It was a copyright claim. Did I miss a trade? Did we both? Oh, so let me get back in. We're supposed to be long. I'm sitting here yapping. Yeah, that's what I would figure. For 6 seconds.
In a weird range, though.
Yeah, right at the top of the, well, on this chart here, it looks like at the top. It's a little bit lower than the highs, the U.S. session highs. Yeah, but it wasn't anything serious. YouTube said, it's not like your account's going to be flagged for copyright violations. And it gave me the option, a button to click to edit them out. So that is what I did. I clicked the button. They're no longer there. It's too bad because I was thinking of using it. Al. Counterstrike's not in a position. I just took a quick look. But the thing is, there was no music even, seriously. But there is a yabba dabba doo, and if there's anything that represents the Flintstones, it's yabba dabba doo. Who came up with that, do you think? Hey, how'd you come up with yabba dabba doo? Maybe some guy had a kid and his kid used to say it. Okay, come on. Short 1 micro. Well, I'm hoping to break the U.S. session highs. Average true range, 12. We're falling again. Take a quick look at Counterstrike. I'm just curious to watch it. Order filled. Okay. Gotta get out.
Oh my God. I have an eye test today. Cat wants me to go test my eyes, but I've been looking at screens so much yesterday and today. My eyes are so blurry. It's gonna be horrible.
Terrible wicks. I don't know.
Doing it on my worst.
You have the drops, in the room over there in the bathroom?
Oh, it's just when I look at screens,
Well, an eye test doesn't look at screens. You look at paper.
Huh?
An eye test. You're looking at a paper. You're going A, B,
My
C,
eyes
G.
are blurry. In the morning when I wake up early, my eyes are good. When I spend a lot of time on screens, the focus of short term so much makes my eyes blurry from far.
So do what I do. Go on YouTube. Not on YouTube. Go Google, get the images, and just memorize the chart. I wonder if they all use the same chart. When the futures closed today, I think I was informed 1 p.m. Eastern time. But as I always say, don't count on me. Confirm it for yourself, please. Because I would hate to say 1 p.m. and then it's actually 12 and you're in a position and you keep it, and then you say, that SOB told me 1. I found something that said 12. Yeah. Well, I'm going to quit at 11:30 to be sure. How's that? No mistakes. So, as I said, looks like we have good reason to maybe revisit the lows of the U.S. session. It's pretty much the high of the fair value gap on the 5-minute chart, as you can see on the top left. That formed just before market open. Patrick Whelan said 1, but I think it's 12 because that's also the inauguration. Well, they call it Martin Luther King, I think, if I'm not mistaken. They're not calling it like an inauguration vacation or anything like that. Lots of jokes I can make about the inauguration, but I'm gonna hold back. It's true, Patrick Whelan, yeah, MLK Day for sure. Dave, you still there? We're inside first fair value gap. Yep. I called Kako back. I told him to have the pizza ready for 12 o'clock tomorrow. So it's ready when we walk in. Actually, nah, I was going to say we should do that. I don't know if you hear that, but I hate when my wife vacuums under the table when I'm trading. Dave's gone? I wanted to bring him into the...
Probably so slow for him.
Into the audio. Yeah, but he's always watching. Oh, look at that. Counter strike. Went short. Where did it go short? Well, at least it didn't go short at the session lows. Anyways, it does what it does. I accept the results for the day. I don't even really need to look. I'll just let it go. Target filled. Let's take a look. Ta-da! Another winner. Goes for 8 points. Counter-Strike on its own. The manual entries that I used to take went for 12 points. The manual entries were after a 2-bar retrace, 2-bar or more retrace. I would take it long. That was me, what I would do. So I would have gotten 12 points here, but I would have gotten stopped out, entered over there, stopped out over there. And, well, don't have a 2-bar retrace yet over here. That's another thing I guess I'll eventually code into Counter-Strike 2. But for now, Counter-Strike 1, the one that runs on its own, is up 3 for 3. Thank you very much. How many times is a trade? I was running those numbers yesterday. I don't want to open up the spreadsheet, but an average day is 15 to 20 trades. Also very active. High accuracy percent also. I think the bad days that I recorded were 60, the low 60s. The good days, the accuracy percent was in the high 80s. But, it does lose more than it wins because the target is only 8 points and the stop loss is a close above the price channel, which I should make black. So let's say, for instance, here we sold at 33 and we could have closed at, let's say, 40, 46. So that would have been a 13-point loser. So I'd say the average loser is probably about 12 to 14 points, or let's say 13 points on average. 1.5, 1.6 times the average winner. But when your accuracy is around 70, 80%, that's more than acceptable. Waiting for a long, basically, but looks like it might flip short for me. Wow, look at that. Coming up to 10 o'clock, past 10 o'clock. Only 3 trades. Only 3 trades. For you guys that know, on a regular day, how long does it take for me to take 3 trades? Anybody want to guess? ATR still holding in at a respectable 13.6. If it falls below 10, oof. At that point, you really got to think about stopping to trade. And if it falls below 8, it's time to hang up the shingle. Al? Oh, yeah, it's true. I said I was going to go market. I want to test entering in on market orders and see how I do compared to the system. The reason being is because I want to start using the trade copier. And if you don't use a market order with the trade copier, it goes horrifically out of sync.
And long.
I'm long at 32. The system's long at 35. 5 points for the system would be 40. And that would be 8 for me. I'm going to shed 1 off at 5. I'll shed 1 off at 10, and I think I'll let the rest run. So now we got to get a move up into 42. The terrible thing is a counter strike. Oh, that's a problem. I just realized.
They're both against.
Counter strike's looking for a short, and these are. Oh, counter strike went short and took a profit. Okay, you know what? I'm going to have the two charts open at the same time. Okay. Very good, very good. Yeah, no, I'm going to have the two charts open because the prop firms don't want you going long and going short at the same time, eh? That's a problem that I just realized. So what am I looking at? 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, and the 1-minute chart. On the 5 and the 15, it kind of looks like we already visited US session lows, but we didn't. Exit will be by limit orders. I'm going to try for a better price when I exit the trade. The opening drive closed, and it didn't take in a lot of points. It was long, it looks like 30. Let me see. Yeah, long at 730, and it covered at 737. So it only took in 7 points today. But better a winner than a loser. Don't have to worry about counter strike going short because the background is not brown for the moment. I'm going long, large size short. Huh.
Trying to focus stuff that are far.
Well, when are you going for your test? Oh my God, your eyes will adjust.
Go outside and look at it far away.
Yeah, you look at the sun. Ow! Just before you go in.
Come on, man, just make a bar.
No kidding. I wasn't expecting this kind of slow trading day, especially after what I saw yesterday in the evening session. I thought it was going to be a crazy day. I mean, I'm not complaining. It's hasn't been really a bad day. 4-4-2 so far. It's just friggin' quiet. Seven micros, 39. Stop at 67. Nice entry on the 39. Take a quick revisit. I just got to keep checking in on counter-strike because I don't want to get a position in the opposite direction. So I'm going to have to either disable counter-strike or exit my position over here, which looks like it's going to happen anyways. Order filled. Oh, no kidding. Counter-strike just went short as I exited. Okay, well, let's watch counter-strike.
A good day. Technically, you only got 1 point, 1 bar, break even, loss.
Yeah, no, I know, but it's no, I didn't mean a good day. I just mean not a bad day. Let me check my positions. Counter-strike is short 2 at 721, going for 8 points. That's 714. Let's watch it. Hopefully it goes 1 more point. Come on, blow on it. Somebody's blow on it, stomp on it, do what you have to do. Let's get it to 14. I don't want to take a loss when we're 1 point away. And I'm not going to take a long trade anywhere else. Wow, that was almost target filled. That's 4 for 4. 8 points. That's pretty damn cool, eh? 4 for 4, 8 points. It's not 10 points like trades by Matt. 8 points, close enough though, 80%. Winner, 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 winner. The account is up 120, the 50,000K account. What can you expect from Counter-Strike? About 150, 75 points, it seems, on a good day. Net. Okay, we just wicked the US session lows, which it was saying 695 target. Move stopped in profit, 7 points. Excellent. And I am now targeting shorts. Was anyone able to tell that my disclaimer was a recording? I hated reading it, so I recorded it. Well, given that we wicked the US session lows and now we have a bearish fair value gap, no, I'm not going to take it as a trade, but I'm interested to see if that fair value gap inverts, if we head significantly higher, at least enough for a trade. Just going to watch it. ATR is 11. Going to make an observation. But currently my charts are saying stay short right now. It could change, but my charts are saying stay short right now.
SMG.
Did the ES do the same thing? Oh, it's the 5-minute chart. No, ES didn't. The NQ did. Well, that makes me a little bit more bullish at the moment. Let's see. 2 seconds. We closed above. We inverted that fair value gap. Let's watch it. I would put a theoretical entry for myself at 23.75 with a 10-point target. I don't think it got wicked in yet. There we go. I would theoretically be long. And I would set my stop at the US session lows, which is where we're heading to very fast. See, it's a good thing I didn't take this trade. As it says on the scroll before, on the bottom, do not copy our trades. Not only are we not licensed professionals, we're just trading to have fun. Does it seem like we're having fun? I'm having fun. I like watching Counter-Strike trade on its own. It's almost doing better than me so far today. Oof. Really? I was short a 4 lot. Not thinking. No! Alex got it. I didn't get it.
I was constipated, sorry. Push.
Hopefully we'll come back into the line that's marking the US session lows, which will change in about a minute. But you know what? Let it go. Alex is short. 1 mini. Up 300 on the trade already. Let it go. Let it dump. Let it dump.
300, I'm up 130.
Now he's up 130. He was up 300. Checking in on Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike is still in short mode. Like I said, everything I have is indicating short. 7 micros, 39. Stop at 67. Yeah, that 39 was a good trade. 695 target. Move stop 7 points per
I
hour.
wanted to break through the 30.
39, 32. 1013. Oh, 1012. Did you get stopped out with chip at 1013? At the time of 1013 at your price of 32. There we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Ah. What's with that wick?
Damn.
Damn.
That wick went right into the fair value gap.
Yeah, yeah. Join ask.
What?
Join ask.
Fair enough.
Out, out. It's too bad. Look, it hit your 695 and reversed quickly, eh? Or maybe out on that move to the 695. I'm not sure if you got stopped out. See, it's hard to tell because he did go to 32. Went to 32.50 1 minute after you mentioned about thinking about moving your stop. So I don't know if you got stopped out or if you got out at 695 for profit. I hope it's the latter. Sold. Sold, like my dog was saying, barking, eh? Sell, sell, sell. Give me a sec, guys. Putting my headset mic on mute. I'll be back in 20 seconds. I double-clicked by accident. I got to get out of that piece. Sorry about that. I told you this mouse is terrible. I'm going to grab it again. Good job. It looks like you got in probably around 15. You're already up 20 points. I'm short at 97. It's not as good as I would have liked. I would have liked the price closer to 700. Counter-Strike won't take any new trades until the background changes back to gray, back to neutral. I got 95 short. Okay, I'm going to try to get another 5 points out of here. So let's say 82. Oh, we're coming up to the previous day's high. Volatility picked up by a couple of points. 654 half gap. Yeah, I remember. I took it off, but I remember the 653 to 657 area. Half gap. Sounds like a coffee you'd buy at the coffee shop. Give me a half gap. 2 milk, 2 sugar. Sound check, sound check. I was bored. I'm singing a song, Spirit in the Sky. I don't know why I'm singing that song, but you know what the problem is with this strategy here, going for the big moves? Multiple. There isn't a sign that says get out, you know? You don't know if this can go for another 200 points lower, or if it's going to go now and you're throwing away $50 profit. That's what I hate. I hate giving back realized gains. I talked about that yesterday. Always having a reason to sell, but if you do that, you have to expect to give back some of your open profits. Wow, look at how it bounced right off the previous day's high to the tick for the moment. Let's see on the 5-minute chart, which is on the top left, if we can close below the previous day's high. If we can do that, if we can do that, it would bode well for the sellers. How much you up?
364, but bro, it's too slow.
Yeah, it is slow.
If it decides to go left and right, we're going to be in Chop City to 12.
Yeah, it sounds like him. You're right. I was thinking the same thing. Okay, I'll come back to the
You want to put it up on your screen?
just close shit, yeah. Close the trade.
Sure.
Yeah, flatten all.
I'll wait.
Flatten all. Flatten all.
Better price.
That's good for it's good for the what are you gonna do?
I'm going to give it to 11:30 and get off.
Yeah. Okay. We still have company. Close it down. Too slow. I gotta let Counter-Strike go because I want to compare it to market replay and see if the results match. So I'm definitely gonna at least watch. I think I have an idea on how I can put up Counter-Strike. Bear with me on this. If I duplicate a new window, that's Counter-Strike without bear with me if I make this window just a little bit smaller. Oh, let me just see something. Okay, that'll work. I like it. Let's go back to the charts. 5 minute did not close below the previous day's high. So I don't really have a bearish case yet. Half gap at 653-ish, 654-ish. And lots of wicks on the 1 minute chart at the previous day high. Let me switch screens. You can see them bigger. Look at those wicks at the previous day high. But everything I got is still saying short. I'm not going long. I don't have a reason to take a long. Oh, I just felt a little bit of soreness in my throat, eh? Hope I'm not going to get sick. And actually, I could have had a reason to take a short at 688 with a stop at 697. Targeting about an ATR, so that would have been about 675 for the target. Let's just watch that. We didn't trade this, eh? This one here? That's the one where you covered this position, but
I'm not sure.
we just let it go. We missed it.
I think so. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Or did you take a piece off and that was your last one?
Maybe my last one. No, I think my last one is the one before because I took like a 2-3 bar. I just took it at 3 bar.
Screaming long for me, but, yep. It's hard to make a case to go short. I think what I like to do is, especially if I'm trading off the 1 minute chart, I like to look if there's a reason not to take the trade. Although I got a short signal, I said at 87, I think it was. There is a really good reason not to go short, and that's that green line, previous day's high, with 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks that touched it, and we shot right back up by about 8 points. So previous day's high is being defended right now. Counter-strike is up 119. I'm up 176. Not bad for a quiet day doing nothing. Music. Music is a good idea when it's quiet like this. Let's put up a playlist. Yesterday I was listening to Sade. Oh, wow, look at that. Target would have been hit. I think it will break the bottom. Yeah, well, look, we did break the bottom. I mean, of the U.S. sessions, but again, it just immediately rotated back up, opened my mouth. Sade, yeah, I was listening to, I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. A Sade playlist, it was relaxing. I think today I'm going to go for something a little more invigorating. You're not going to hear it, but I will. You can put your own music. Oh, let's just take a quick look at Patrick. Patrick Whelan's talking about Canadians. He's talking about Canadians, Canada, and Trudeau. Okay, that's enough. Let's get some music. Trump inauguration, live right now. Rooftop lounge, nah. NQ and ES, live signals. I should do that too. Live signals. Okay, so who do I go for? Journey? Let's take a vote. Wow, another wick below. And another pop right back up. On the 1 minute, on the 1 minute chart, we now tested the previous day's high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That bodes very poorly for a break lower, in my opinion. That's my opinion. And that's my opinion from experience. The more times we retest or we test something, the less likely it's going to be violated in any significant way. Okay, Journey. Journey's a good choice. Sticks. Let's go for some old music. Led Zeppelin. Oh, Led Zeppelin. I think Led Zeppelin's going to win. Cranberries. I was listening to Cranberries also, a playlist on the Cranberries. Cranberries are good. But Zeppelin is good. Let's take a vote. Zeppelin or Cranberries? Since there's not a lot of people in the room, since there's almost no one in the room, I get a vote too. I'll be the tiebreaker. No one's voting. I'm going to vote for you if you don't vote. The vote is Led Zeppelin or the Cranberries. Going once. Going twice. Sold to the man with the mouse who decides for himself, and I'm going to choose Led Zeppelin. Ooh, I just got in the mood for Black Sabbath. Black Sabbath has some good songs. But I'll go for Led Zeppelin. Gonna start with Black Dog. Vote where? In the chat. I should sing Black Dog. If I had some guts, I would. Shit. James, you familiar with Black Dog? How it starts? Hey, mom, I'm gonna make you move. I should sing it with my falsetto voice. Fuck, you guys would laugh. Yeah, that would have been funny. When I warm up, I'll do shit like that. I'm still a little, No, really? I don't know that. Oh, yeah, it's true. I do know that. Sorry, I'm not thinking. Well, I can't even play it for 4 seconds because I'll get a copyright strike. I know that now. Well, if you want to listen along, you can just load it up in YouTube. Down, 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 down. Do I sound like him? But I'm not going to just listen to one song. I'm going to put a playlist. What would Zeppelin be considered? 60s rock or 70s? Or both? But primarily. I think I'm going to put 60s rock playlist. 70s is too... a lot of good songs, but... Ooh, no, 60s a little bit too old. Looks like the Beatles and the Animals, House of the Rising Sun, Mamas and the Papas. Not in the mood for that. I wanted something a little more lively. Let's go to 70s. Maybe I should type in hard rock. There we go. Mix 70s rock playlist, greatest hits, and the first thing it's opening up with is AC/DC. And then I have another one here. Patti Smith, Queen. Ooh, I'll go for that one. Forget AC/DC. I don't know who Patti Smith is, but... Rainbow. Oh my God. I think Ronnie James Dio is... I mean, I really like Steve Perry from Journey, but Ronnie James Dio, my God. My God. Yeah, my God. What a voice on that guy. Okay, Patti Smith's Because the Night's a good song. I'll listen to it. Yeah, Ronnie James Dio and Rainbow. I think he was in Black Sabbath also for a while. Still no clothes? I may be screaming because of the music in my ears. Maybe I'll tone it down. Sorry, guys. Maybe. No, I'm joking. Still, bunch of wicks. But no clothes below. Creepy stays high. Maybe I'll lower my music a little bit. That way, if somebody else fire in my house, I'll hear them. I won't burn alive. That's important, right? Man on the Silver Mountain. Man on the Silver Mountain is good. Kill the King. There's a lot of good songs from Rainbow. I would have had a short and would have gotten stopped out while I was reminiscing down memory lane. But I might get another short trade may trigger, so If anybody's new here in the channel, hit the subscribe button. It's taken me a long time to get off the ground floor here. Soon I'll be adding music to the stream. It's true, I said I would sell market. I want to see what prices. Oh my God, like a schmuck, I'm selling right below. Right below. I'm asking to lose money on this one. 79, 79.75. I'm lightening up on this because I don't have conviction in this trade. Not at the previous day's high when we've wicked it 47 times, and I just finished saying that the probability of pushing through this level with any significance is low after wicking it 19 times. It's being defended. Why did I take the trade then? Because my system tells me that I should take the trade, and I got to take them all. Hey, what's happening with... Oh no! I lost some money in Counter-Strike. We had a loser! We had a loser! But it should be short again. What's going on? Or did it go short again? Yeah, it's short. I'm sorry, I didn't see it. Let's hopefully it can catch its 8 points. No, 79 is my short. It's not Counter-Strike short. I don't know where Counter-Strike is short, but I'm pretty sure it is. It is. I can see that it is. Counter-Strike is short at... let me see what account. It is short at 77. 74. There we go. Target filled. Counter-Strike just took another winner. And you know what? I'm going to go back to my chart here and take a piece off because... Why? Because we're breaking down. Because we're breaking down below the previous day's high, which is the green dash line, even though we wicked it a bajillion times. And the 5-minute chart, do you have it up? I don't remember what screen I'm on. Let's see. No, you don't have the 5-minute chart. Let me put it up here. Wow, look at that. Nice dump. The 5-minute chart might just close below it. 1 minute. And now we're heading towards the 50% gap fill, and maybe we will close the entire gap at 600. Who knows? Oh, cover, 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 cover. Anybody know the song Fat Bottom Girls by Queen? Not one of their most popular songs, but I like it. Now I'm listening to Bohemian Rhapsody. One of their more popular songs, and I like it too. We Are the Champions is the one song by Queen that I'm not a fan of. I am up about 30 points on the day. With my own scalping, and my strategy Counter-Strike is up about 24 points right now. We're touching VWAP. I know I said I wouldn't use VWAP anymore. It's not on my screens, but it's on another screen, and I can see that we are touching VWAP right now. Damn, 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 and I just got another short trade triggered right on VWAP. VWAP's a killer for me. I'm letting this one go. VWAP is the great big bad punisher for me. Let's just check in quickly with Bitcoin. Came down a couple of $1,000. That's crazy. What's the range on Bitcoin today? 99,000 to 110,000. A 10% range in one day. Could you imagine NQ trading 2,100 points for a 10% range in one day? It's just nuts. You know what? I'm curious what the ATR is on this on the daily chart. Let me put up a daily chart. What's the average daily range on Bitcoin? We wait while it loads. And then I go to ATR, and I will have an answer for you very shortly. The average range on Bitcoin is $4,000, 4%, 4,900, 5%. The average day for Bitcoin is a 5% range. Wow, that's impressive. Let's go back to 5-minute candles. And let me change this. I'm going to make this a white chart too. Oh, it doesn't even show up. I'm talking about Bitcoin. I don't even have the right display up for you guys on YouTube. Hold on. Funny guy. Love it. This is what I was looking at. The Bitcoin chart, 5-minute. The 5-minute, the average range of the 5-minute candles is 0.5%, $500. That's probably the best chart to trade off of if you were going to use Bitcoin. I don't think I would use a 1-minute chart with a $50 spread. This way it's not bad. The spread is 10% of the average candle range. Let's compare that to NQ. NQ, let's say 50, and the average candle range is 14. No, that's 28 times. Okay, it's still a little large on the 5-minute chart. Look at that. I didn't take the trade off VWAP, and look how we bounced off VWAP. VWAP's at 645. Yeah, VWAP's a killer for me. If I trade the bounce off VWAP, price trades right through it. Like it's not even there, and when I trade for the bounce, it trades right through it. Did I just repeat myself? I don't know. If I trade for the bounce, it trades right through it. If I trade that, if I take a trade that we're gonna trade through VWAP, it always bounces. I learned not to trade VWAP anymore. So we traded right back up into the initial balance low, and I have a potential setup for a short soon. We got a 5-minute close below the initial balance low on the previous candle. We've been bearish, I would say, since, let me put up the two charts here. On the 5-minute chart, we've been bearish since this candle. We got the close below the previous low. So now I'd be looking for a close above a previous high. If we can invert this fair value gap and close above the high of the previous candle on the 5-minute chart, we may just be rotating higher. Go back up to the initial balance high. Well, I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, and I'm wondering if we covered 50% of the London range. Almost. Close enough. I know close is only good in horseshoes, but close enough. Like I said, let's see if the 5-minute candle here can close above the previous candle's high. If we can get a close on this candle above this high and invert this fair value gap, yeah, I would be thinking long also. That could be a good trade with Chip. I mean, any trade could be a good trade, of course. That's a little stupid to say, but what I meant is that could be a good trade for me also. I didn't mean to sound condescending. But I do have to look at, you know, there was a trade here. I don't know why I didn't take it. I don't see the arrows. So far, I think one loser. Yeah, 9:30. Winner, 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 winner. Loser. Let's check how many points. 89. 77, so 12 points. That's about what I said, 12 or 13 points. Lost 12 points. And I'm pretty sure I got a winner there. So the arrows aren't there, but go back to the 1-minute chart and the 5-minute chart. 2 minutes left. However, we are at previous day's high and initial balance low. So there's going to be a little bit of a battle here. Especially since we traded below it. I can definitely see a lot of people taking the retest trade here. Let's say selling at 75, going for 10 points. I know that's what Trades by Matt does often. The retest of the EIB. Oh. I don't know where he sets his stop, so I don't think he has trades by man I'm talking about. I don't think he has a set 10 or 20 point. Maybe he uses swings. It's been a long time I haven't been in his channel, so I don't know what he uses. I should go in and see if he took that trade, but yeah, why not? Let's go see if he's oh my god, Deep Purple. I don't want to hear Deep Purple. They're a good band, but they were never my favorite. Went from Deep Purple to Deep Purple, Highway Star. Highway Star is a good song. Then Deep Purple Burn. Burn's a good song. Then Stargazer by Rainbow. Rainbow, Long Live Rock and Roll. Then a couple of Led Zeppelin songs are going to be played. Okay, let's go check in Trades by Matt and see what he's doing. See if he took this trade. See if he's even streaming. I don't think he's streaming. It's not streamed 4 minutes ago. He got off. He closed up. Let's see what Nutty Bar is doing. Is he even streaming right now? He is. He's live. Live day trading, copy trading. 25 funded accounts. Pretty good. Nutty Bar looks like he's red on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 of his accounts. 8 of his 25 accounts. The other ones he hasn't traded. That's what it looks like. Hard to see. Yep. I don't get Ninja Trader with their dark red on dark black. Ian Gillian. Nah, I'm not a fan of Ian Gillian. Red on black. So you can't see it. Oh, wow, he's down quite a bit, actually. 900, 900, 900, 900, 900. I guess he was copy trading those in a group of 5, and then 500, another group of 5. So he's down about 5,000, 6, 7. He's down about 8,000 on the day. Oh, 7, there it is, 7,700. This is not financial advice. Trade Devils indicators. Okay, I don't know if he's trading, and I don't really want to watch him. I'm just going to listen to music. It's better. For me, Patrick Whelan is the most entertaining. And I'm leaving that song. Burn. Burn is good. I like Burn from Deep Purple. I'll listen to that one. Okay, so where are we? Let's get back to the charts. In the meantime, well, nothing really happened. We did not close above the previous high, candle high on the 5-minute chart. Although we can do it on this one. We did not go to the 50% of the London session, the 50% level, but we got close enough. We did trade below the initial balance low. The 5-minute managed to close below it. Formed a fair bearish fair value gap. Let's see if we invert that and go rotate back inside the initial balance. Perfect Strangers. Perfect Strangers is good too, yeah. You're talking about all these songs and you're not putting them. Are you putting them up to listen to them? Are you getting in the mood? Wood chip is long 84 at 1051, stop 53, which would probably keep him still long. Yeah, these are the songs I listen to. Wow, you're a Deep Purple man, eh? My brother was crazy about Deep Purple. Hey, 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 hey. I'm having problems with my computers again, guys. Not fun. Not right now at the moment, but target filled. I just heard target filled. You know what that means? That means Counter-Strike took a long and took a profit. Way to go, Counter-Strike. How much fun is that, eh? Trading and you don't even know that it's happening. Is this burn? Oh, they're singing live and they're not singing well at all. That means time to forward through this song. Ah, Stargazer, now with Ronnie James Dio. Now it's going to get fun. Sorry, guys. Got to put the volume up on this one. I may be screaming if I start to talk. I think we're going to get the close. I don't want to speak ahead of myself, but I think we'll get a close above the previous candle high, which will turn me bullish on the 5-minute chart. And we're going to invert this fair value gap. Small one, but still invert it. I put it on pause. This is a song I was thinking of, James. Stargazer by Rainbow. Wow, the way he sings on this song is insane. It's too bad I can't play it. Oh well. Well, I don't want to scream, so I turned off the song again. I think everything stop at 89. Yeah, that's a beautiful trade, man. Everything is screaming buy now. Everything's turned bullish. 5-minute. Definitely. Well, you can't say definitely. Anything can happen. This thing can close at 21,000. Most likely, it's going to close above the previous day high. We're going to rotate back into the initial balance high. 15-minute. Might even do the same thing. Close above the previous candle high. 1 minute. Traded nicely through previous day's high. Previous day's high held again. Price held. Nice little push up with some momentum. Bullish fair value gap. Everything says belong at the moment. Oh, Counter-Strike's in a trade. And I need quite a bit of a retrace for me to get into a trade. So let's just watch Counter-Strike. It's funny, it's not showing up. It's so weird. Even if it's a white arrow. Oh, there it is. I see it. You know what? Let me change the color of the arrows. Let's make them yellow. Whoop. Someone sent me a Skype. I gotta go look. Yellow, orange, red. Orange, red is one of my favorite. No, don't go down. Dark goldenrod. That's what it'll be. Dark goldenrod. Apply, apply. There we go. Now I can see the executions. Oh, I won't see them here now. Ah, that was stupid. Okay. Let's change it again. I'll open up Skype in a second. Give me a minute. Buys, and for the sells, let's make them, I guess I'll go with some kind of green. Yellow green I like. There we go. Funny thing is, it's not showing here. Like there wasn't a trade, but I know it took a trade. Anyways, okay, let's go open up Skype. I heard a boop, I heard a Skype bubble. Oh, my stop is quite far away right now on Counter-Strike. It will move up quickly. as the bars form, because it is the price channel, my stop, which I will make black. I don't know why it isn't black. Oh, it's true, because I was using a black chart. Let's get it a little darker. There we go. And it's based on how many candles? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means that's the low. In 2 candles it goes there, and then at 89. I am long at, I don't even know what price. Let me check. 05. Woo, this could be a 15, 16 point stop, but if I get stopped out, so let's not get stopped out. Ah. Yeah, humble trader. Yeah, I know. 1.3 million subscribers. Oh my God, Led Zeppelin only has 3 million. That's impressive. Well, she knows what she's doing. Humble trader. That's incredible. Does she really have that many subscribers? I don't think ICT has that many subscribers. Wow, that's impressive. This could be a painful trade on Counter-Strike if I get stopped out. Although the line is moving up. We could have it move up to 89. In a couple of bars. But anyways. Boop. Here, I'll put up Counter-Strike for you guys to see. I was saying is the price channel, how it moves up. So it was down here at 72. Now it's at 82. So 10 points. Take care, guys. Take care, James. I will see you hopefully tomorrow. Oh my God. Okay, take care. Hope everything's all right. Counter-Strike, as long as 705, it's looking for a price of 713 to exit. I don't have a trade coming up, so I can watch Counter-Strike. Let's go. Let me hear profit filled. What did I say we're long at? 705. Nah, I don't feel like watching. I watch, I get stressed. Shit, damn. Missed a trade over here at 6.99. Would have been for a small thing, but why is my Top Step X working funny? Everything's working funny lately. Starting to get angry. I have moving average bands on Top Step X, and then they just disappear. Yeah, you know what's more fun with Counter-Strike when you don't watch it and you just hear profit filled. But like I said, I'm going to have to watch it because I don't want to take a trade in the opposite direction by accident manually. Still 89, 94 now on the price channel. Anyways, it is what it is. We accept the results. $96, yeah. This will stop me at 92 if it stops me at 13 points. There we go. So, okay, again, good, 13 points. As long as we're maintaining that 1 to 1.5 ratio, I'm happy. Okay, so let's just take a quick look here again at the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, and the 5-minute chart. We kind of poked into this fair value gap here. Let me change my cursor on this. Kind of poked into the fair value gap here. We did invert the bearish fair value gap at the IB low and at the previous day's high. So interesting, that should either act as a magnet and drop price to it. Support price again, which is what it's done here for like 20 minutes and then continue to do over here. So obviously previous day's high at the moment is a significant level. And I have a small trade worth taking right now for a 2-lot. Not going to let me get filled on the bid. I have to chase it a little bit. My stop is at 88. Wood chip stops at 89. Okay, so we're stopping at about the same price. But I think I'm going to get going soon. I'm going to let... am I going to get going? No, I'm going to stick around till Counter-Strike finishes trading at 11:55 and then turn it off. Keep watching it. Bugger, we had a loser. This trade you see open now is not Counter-Strike. That's the one I took manually. What am I going to target on this? Right now the ATR on the 1-minute chart is 9 points. I have a 2-lot. That's about 8 points for one. And let me see if I can get 18 points on the other one. But that would be about 14. 21,714. If I can get 21,714 on this, I'll take it. I just took a 1-lot long in Top Step X. I will pick up the position sizing tomorrow. For today, no, but tomorrow I'll pick up the position sizing. I don't think I'll trade 10 micros, but 6 or 8. But today with this low volatility, a 9 ATR, 9-point average range on the 1-minute candles. Nothing to write home about. I stream every day, starting at 9:15. For a little bit of conversation and commentary early before the markets open, 9:30. Then I trade the open. I usually jump in as soon as the markets open. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It'll help get me out of the YouTube basement. And it's free. Okay, watching this trade. I didn't get my 14 out of it, 714, but it can still go. I will actually put in a limit order. 714, sell one limit. That would be 18 points on this trade. 18 points is very good. Nothing to complain about on a day like today. That's 2 ATRs. on the 1 minute candle. The 5-minute chart didn't invert the bullish fair value gap that formed over the initial balance low and over the previous day's high, which is that green dashed line. It just got wicked and rotated back up. The 15-minute chart actually closed above the previous candle's high, so that's bullish on the 15-minute chart too. So this trade is looking good. Doesn't mean it'll go to profit, but it's looking good. My stop on it is 93 approximately. Wow, so really not risking much on this. 3 points for 18 points, 6-1. I have my hand on the sell ask button on the mouse. And if it goes to where I should be getting stopped out, let me just confirm that again. 0797 493. Yep. I just recalculated. I exit by limit orders and I enter with market orders. The reason why I do that is because I do plan on using a trade copier soon, and the trade copier kind of really gets screwy if you enter with limit orders. Too many of the accounts get out of sync. Okay, now I need to go back up a little bit. I'm managing my loss here. Let's go up. I'll hit sell ask. That's good enough for me. Sell ask. That's a losing trade. If anybody's interested, let me just squeeze this in a bit. You'll be able to see how I'm doing on this account for the day. No, wrong one. Let me go to one chart here. Let me bring it back in. So for the day, this one's up 274. But it takes way too much screen space to show, so let's put it back here. I think it's 274. Yeah, it is 274. So, yeah, like I said, the plan will be to show the how the accounts are doing. I just got to set that up in OBS, in the broadcasting software. That maybe there'll be a little box just above my my head or something. But yeah, it's not fun if you're not tracking how I'm doing, right? Everybody wants to know how things are going. I would. I close the music. I think it's not too advisable to listen to hard rock while you're streaming, having hard rock blasting in your ears. First off, you're probably screaming into the mic. Number one. Number two, I don't know. I find it distracting. I think just something a little more calming would be better. Let's go for a lo-fi playlist. I think I'm going to create my own lo-fi track to run. Pick any one. Snow coffee. I'm going to pick the snow coffee. I still have my long in Top Step X. The long is at 705. My stop would be quite a bit lower actually on that trade. It goes for bigger moves and has bigger stops. Woodchip, are you proud of me? Bigger moves and bigger stops? Wow, 05 and the stop would be 72. That's okay though. I caught a 35 point winner. Actually a little bit bigger. I think a 37 point winner earlier. A little bit after 10 o'clock. Yeah, this is better. I'll lower the volume. Check my mic levels, because Windows always likes to play with them. 65, okay. Hanging around 65, 66. So long one at 05 and a quarter. And long 3 at 05.75 in Apex. Let me just take a quick look at Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike had a winner over here for 12 points and a loser for 8 points, sorry, and a loser for 13 points, so lost 5 over there. Same thing over here, loser of 13, winner of 8, so in the last little while I gave back 10 points in Counter-Strike, but it had 4 or 5 winners before that. And now riding the long. 3 lot. I think I'll take one off at 10 points, so with 15. Lower the risk. The next one I'll take off at 20. That one I'll hold for. I always like to lower risk. 8 points average range of the 1 minute candles. That's already discouragingly low. I said earlier, if it gets under 10, that's kind of depressing. 7 is quitting time. Hopefully we can get a little spike here and I can take another piece off at 720. I mean, we did a nice pattern. I like these patterns. I like the spike here. Let me change the cursor. When you get a spike, and we kind of trade sideways near the highs of that spike. I like that pattern. That pattern is very bullish for me. Slowly getting there. It's trying. It's trying. Come on, 720, not too far away. Let me put in a limit order, 720 and a quarter. Every time I put in a limit order. Let's watch it. Why open it up a bit. Where am I stopping out at this? Anybody want to know? 700, 5 points. I have 5 points risk left. 5 points of risk left on this trade. Top Strike is in a trade. I hope it's not short. No, it's long. Okay, so Top Strike is long and I am long. Counter-Strike is long at a much worse price than I am. I am long at 05.75. Counter-Strike is long at 13. We're both targeting 20. Actually, Counter-Strike is targeting 21. So let me move it up to 21. And if I get filled, Counter-Strike will get filled. I don't even have to watch it. Where's the stop on Counter-Strike? A little far away. 88, 12, 17 points away, and that line's not going to move so fast, so let's hope the buyers have some reason to step in, which doesn't look like they're doing right now. Oh, okay, you're out. C'est la vie. Honestly, I'm still long. Sorry I heard you talking to me, but I'm working with someone today. No problem. Yeah, my loss, la vie, I guess. To be expected, eh? With an ATR of 8 points on the 1 minute candles. Yeah, don't worry about it, would you? Fire! $96. I have a long. To stop at 96. Let me take it for a 2 lot. Still have my long in Top Step X. Haven't changed anything about it. And I think if I lose on this trade, I'll just call it quits for the day on this account. Well, it's up 200 and something. Nothing crazy significant because it's a 150K account. But so what? Up is up, right? Green is green. I'm smelling pancakes. I think someone is making pancakes upstairs and it smells damn good. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, I can see prices going in the right direction. Now it's not. Oh no, Mr. Bill. How's Counter-Strike doing? Did it get stopped out yet? No. It's long at 07. Oh, at least the price channel came up a little bit. Well, if we get lucky, I could see a spike up. I mean, we are trending higher for the last half an hour. Right? If I put up the last half an hour, like that, we are trending higher. And I did say, oh, that was over here. I like this pattern. Yeah, we got a small move up. We didn't blast up. Actually, I got stopped at 89. Oh, this trade, which is long at 07 and targets 1 ATR about 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. No, 9 plus 7 is... Yeah, it is 16. So I should get out at 16. 14, 15, good enough for me. 16. London closed. Goddamn London, every time they're closing. Oh, Counter-Strike is trying. Still the long from here. Let me get to the price. I think it needed 21. Yeah, it's still long at 13. Needs 21, 6 more points. I would be happy with the day coming to a close. Counter-Strike takes another trade. Takes this last trade and wins. As a winner, I would be happy. 21, come on, 4 points, 4 points. Give it a push. It's not a lot to ask. 4 points for NQ. 4 points is not even a fart for NQ. That's the problem, though, with an 8-point target. I can't really set my stop to break even. I'm like, you know, it's only 4 points away. You gotta let it play out. It's a sniffle. It's not even a sniffle. Hey, anyways, it's up. It's up. On a 2-lot, it's up. Still $100. That's not bad. 4 points is a slightly runny nose on a cold day. I'm not sure. I heard it's more like a slightly runny nose on a sunny day. I have to disagree with you. I have to agree to disagree. I'm pretty sure 6 points is a runny nose on a cold day. Give me my stupid 21. Come on. That'll put me over $100 on Counter-Strike. That's 25 points. I think that's about the average. I don't even remember anymore. Oh, when you track so many things, you forget the stats. They all blend into each other. Cool. May we trade to 721? Let's watch it. Let's watch it. Let's watch it draw the line in. When it hits, take profit. I think someone's calling me. Going back down, I can see out of the corner of my eye. That's sad. That's discouraging. Come on. Did the cleaning go? Well, I have to fight for these 8 points with Counter-Strike. It's not giving it up easy. I'm gonna go check the 8 here soon. Okay. Hello? So let the cleaning go. Amazing. Did you have to go outside? Hmm. The tuyau flexible?
Ça sortait tout dans la maison.
Was he able to change it for a charge, hopefully? Okay, cool.
Ils m'ont tout changé ça. Puis là, il a dit, là, en arrière, c'est plus long. Fait que là, il dit, si tu bouges, je vais se défaire. Il dit, je t'ai tout tapé ça. Il dit, ça bougera pas de là.
Yeah.
Il m'a tout montré, il a tout nettoyé, même dans l'arrière de ma sécheuse, le plancher, tous les fils qui étaient pleins parce que ça sortait tout.
So basically, you weren't satisfied.
Peux-tu je mette tes poubelles? Ben là, je suis un instant là. Tabarnouche, fait qu'il a dit, tu sais, s'il vient faire les choses d'air pour la maison.
Okay.
Il va me faire un bon prix.
Yeah.
J'ai dit, je t'ai tout dégagé la table, je t'ai pelleté pour pas que t'ailles et tu tombes. Tout ça. Il dit, j'ai jamais vu ça. Il dit, une personne comme toi, il dit, tu te soucies de tout ça. Il dit, je vais à des places. Il dit, c'est le bordel. Tout ça. Il dit, toi, t'as tout. Il dit, vraiment, là. J'ai dit, ben non, là, je suis à mon affaire.
Yeah.
En tout cas, il est super. Il est de chaud aidé.
Okay.
Fait que, normalement, il charge 299 pour faire toute la maison, les 2 étages, plus la sécheuse.
Yeah.
Mais là, il dit, vu que tu as déjà fait la sécheuse, il dit, je peux te faire un meilleur prix que 2,99.
Yeah. Okay, so what chip is long? How am I? All my everything is long. Hey. Counter-Strike. Took another 8 points. Very good, very good. Ripped it. Ripped it. Or rip tit. Let's rip some tit. I want to work where wood chip is working because they're ripping tit over there. Okay, I don't need to be in 747. Yes. 747. Well, it's hard, again, like I said, not to be bullish, eh? With the price action on the 5-minute chart, the price action on the 15-minute chart, closing above the previous candle highs, closing above the previous candle highs here on the 5-minute chart, bullish fair value gap, pushing back into the initial balance. Yes, we could potentially rotate higher, much higher than 740. We can go up to the 770s, maybe even revisit the U.S. session highs. Although volatility is falling, we're down in the 7s. And that's, yeah, it hurts when you ripped it. Yeah, I agree. I don't think I'm trading anymore, and I think I'm up $100 on Counter-Strike and 243 on trading manually. I think that's good enough for today. Quiet day, calm day. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I mean, my quitting time was gonna be 11:55 anyways. Literally need to pick a direction and go wide stop, leave it alone. Yeah, well, if I'm picking a direction, it would be long. Being reactive, not predictive. But I'm going to go make myself a grilled cheese sandwich for breakfast. And I think after the inauguration, I'll come back again, maybe in the evening at 6 p.m. for maybe an hour. Not going to stay much longer than an hour in the session, in the evening session. An hour is good. Maybe even shorter if the volatility dies. Maybe even longer if the volatility is there for me. But once again, thank you for showing up. And I think I'm going to... oh, wait. 93 plus 93 in my Top Step account also. So 3 for 3 today on 3 different accounts. I will see you guys. Well, James is gone, but I guess I'll see you tonight, tomorrow. Thanks for showing up. Hit the like button if you haven't already, and we'll see you soon. Take care.